name's Lucy, and in this video I'm going to have the best time, and don't you, Bo? Honestly, I was trying to be all professional. What's the point? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet earrings. They're like a teardrop shape with just a little embellished edging at the bottom. And I'm just using for this embroidery thread, so it's just like 6-strand embroidery thread, scissors, and I'm using for this a 2.5mm. I think for embroidery thread a 2.5 is best. Don't you agree? Thinking you agree then all. But for the, if you haven't, if you don't have one of them and you have a 3mm, it's fine. It'll just be a bit looser. Fastenings, it's just these little, just got a yarn needle, just to sew in the ends. I think that's it. Yeah, we'll get on to the video. So for this video, I'm going to be speaking in English crochet terms, so just not to get you confused. And I'm starting off with a magic ring. So take your thread and from the end just wrap it around both fingers and wrap it so on the other side it makes a cross. Take your crochet hook and slide it under the bottom yarn and over the top yarn. Bring it through to create a loop. Then take your working yarn, hook that and bring it through that loop you just made. Once we've got our magic ring, we're going to do a round of 18 triple crochets. To start off, we're going to make 2 chains and then we're going to do our treble crochet. And now we're going to yarn over and then insert our hook into the ring, then bring that thread through. We've got 3 loops there, then just pull through 2 of them. Then yarn over and pull through the next 2. And that is your triple crochet. And then we're going to continue until we've got 18 stitches on the ring. So now I've got to the second to last treble crochet. So I'm just going to make another treble crochet, the last one, 18th one. And then after that I'm going to make just a chain of 3, and that's just going to be where we join the earring at the top, and that's where we'll put our earring hook fastening onto. And just make a slip stitch into that first chain. And then just fasten off by pulling the thread through the loop once. And then just get your scissors and snip it off. Then just pull that thread through and you should have a secure knot. So as you can see, I've threaded through the ends and now I've got a nice neat earring, well, start of an earring anyway. So I've got my contrasting colour of thread, so I've chosen like a nice powder blue. I just think it goes quite nice with the pink. So I'm just going to fasten on by making a slip knot and then fastening it on. So I'm counting down from the left side of the earring 4 treble crochets, and then that's where I'm going to fasten my yarn on and start my edging of double crochets. So then I'm just going to chain 1 and make a line of double crochets until there are 4 treble crochets left. So for the double crochet, I'm just going to insert my hook into that stitch and then yarn over and then bring that thread through both loops. And that's our first double crochet. Continue this until you come to the last 4 treble crochets. So now I've turned, I'm going to make a chain of 4 and that will make our loop edging. And then just slip stitch into the next double crochet. And then basically this is all you do until the end of that blue edging. So chain of 4, slip stitch into the next double crochet. And repeat this until you get to the last double crochet and then you're finished. So when you slip stitch into that last double crochet, that's when we fasten off. And once we've fastened off and cut the yarn and just used our yarn needle to thread it through to make it look nice and neat, we can get our earring hook onto the middle chain at the top.